Hi guys, happy new year. You are welcome and welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, I'm Teresa and I know some people have subscribed to this channel and they've never seen my face before. I'm sorry. This is just like a quick channel update, life updates, I don't know, updates anyways. So let's just do a quick rewind. So when I started this channel back then in 2020, April 2020, I started with kind of lifestyle content. Then later I started I added some little travels here and there, adventures, because I actually love adventures. Okay, so later because of some things that I wouldn't want to talk about here, or I might talk about it, I might share it later in the future. I started doing some kind of faceless content. If you are a content creator, you know what it means to like grow your channel, to get your channel monetized. And if for some time you don't post, YouTube will definitely demonetize your channel. So I started putting out some faceless content. So I believe some people might have subscribed then or through one of those faceless content and they don't really know the face behind the channel. So just in case, this is the face behind the channel. So this is 2026 and people have evolved. We've had interest, we've developed interest in one or two things, which is the main reason why I'm making this video. So on this channel I'll be doing some new things. I'll be introducing new things here, and of recent I've been developing interest in AI. So like I said, this is 2026. So if you don't know AI, you don't know anything about AI, I don't know what to say. So I've been doing some stuff about AI, and with that being said, I'll be sharing some of the things I've learned about AI on this channel. So meaning from now henceforth, it's possible that you'll be coming across some AI content on this channel. So please work with me, stay with me. So if you are an AI enthusiast, or you are someone that you don't even have knowledge about it at all, just make sure to stay with me. And I know some people like, when she started, she was in Ilorin. Yes, I actually dropped a video in 2024 when I moved down to Lagos. So now I'm in Lagos. So I really don't want this thing to be about niching down just to one thing, because niching down is just like you putting yourself in a box. So I want to be flexible with my channel. I want to try out different things and see what will work, because some of the things I'll be doing have not been working, obviously. So I'll still be trying out things like vlogs. If I'm available to travel, to explore, I'll still be bringing everything here. So I just want to try out different things and see the one that really work well with the channel. So please stay with me. If you are coming across this for the very first time and you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. You love it here, I promise, because from now henceforth, this is a new dawn. Yes, this is a new dawn. So I'll be showing my face more often now, because I'll be showing us some things about AI animation, image animation, video animation, different kind of stuff about AI. So I'm very sure you learn one or two, and I will also learn one or two. So that's it, guys. That is the update, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know what the next video might be about. It might be about a vlog, it can be anything about AI or content creation as a whole. That's why I said work with me, because I'm still trying out to figure out what I will really be posting here that will really be doing numbers, if you know what I mean. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.